Greetings and welcome to another Market Watch with Maurice. I'm your host, Maurice. Before we get started, I want to do an investment disclaimer. The following video is for information purposes only. It's not intended to be investment advice. Seek a licensed professional for investment advice. So now that we have that covered, what are we talking about today? We're talking about my 10 favorite dividend stocks. Excuse me. My favorite 10 stocks that I am invested in. I just want to give you a heads up on them. So let's go ahead and jump into my computer screen. Okay, first things first. What is a dividend? Okay, a dividend is the distribution of a company's earnings to its shareholders and is determined by the company's board of directors. Dividends are often quarterly paid and may be paid out in cash or in the form of reinvestment in additional stock. So my strategy is when I get paid dividends, I simply roll it over into additional stocks, and I plan on doing that until I'm 67 or 70 years old. Okay, so let's go. We're not gonna waste any time. My first favorite dividend stock is AT&T, stock symbol T. Okay, this is a very solid company. If you look, I'm using Google Finance also. So Google Finance is a great tool to do your due diligence on stocks. So if you look here, right here, the top news, AT&T stock, dirt cheap and recession proof. And this is a story from Seeking Alpha. Another one. Okay, so it's a very solid stock and its dividend yield is 5.92%. So I really shouldn't have to explain to you what AT&T does. They're a phone company. They service for Wi-Fi, cable TV. They do a lot of business. When you go on Google Finance, you can look right here where it says about, and they'll tell you everything about the company. Okay. Next stock is going to be stock symbol ENB. Just waiting on the page to load. Okay, ENB, Enbridge Incorporated. Okay, this is a very solid company. Let me pull up a little data on my phone about them. Okay. Enbridge Incorporated engages in provisions of gas and oil. So that's already lucrative. They include the following segments: liquid pipelines, gas distribution and storage, gas transmission and midstream, renewable power generation, and energy services. Okay, so they service the US, Canada, and a couple other places. So this is a very good company. I am invested in them. Their dividend yield is 5.93. Okay. And if you go on Google Finance, you can see stories about them. Always do your due diligence before investing in a stock. Next company, stock symbol PFE. Okay, PFE is Pfizer. Pfizer is a solid company. What does Pfizer do? Pfizer is a research-based global biopharmaceutical company, and it engages in the discovery and development, manufacturing, marketing, sales, and distribution of biopharmaceutical products worldwide. So this is another solid company. Dividend yield is 3.68%. 17%. Okay, news about them. If you check out this news, it's Pfizer quarterly sales surged to record high, driven by COVID vaccine and antiviral treatment. Okay, very solid company. Next, stock symbol MO. Altria Group. What does Altria Group does? This is one of my favorite companies because this company has a very low overhead and they make a ton of money. They're solid. They're not really a growth stock. They're a earnings stock. You earn dividends. Dividend rate for this company is 8.19%. What do? They grow tobacco for cigarettes. Okay, that's a very solid company. A lot of people smoke cigarettes. Okay, they pay a good dividend. I was shocked when I got my dividend payments for this company. Okay, next company, stock symbol TD. TD, what is TD? It's Toronto Dominion Bank. So this is a foreign bank that I invested in. It's in Toronto, Canada. Let's wait till my page loads. Okay. Very solid. One thing I learned about Canadian stocks, they are very generous with their dividends. So that's a good thing. They engage in financial products and services in Canada. Dividend yield 4.22%. Okay. They fell a little bit on Thursday, but that's okay. I'm only in it for the dividends. Next stock symbol MRK. What is MRK? MRK is a company called Merck. And that's a familiar company to some people. Some people may not know what they do. It's another pharmaceutical company. I love pharmaceutical companies. I simply love them. Okay, and we already know why. And their dividend rate is 3.10%. Okay, it's a Merck stock hit on drug prices bill despite triple second quarter profit. These pharmaceutical companies are very profitable and they are very solid. Next company, stock symbol NKE. What is NKE? Nike. You know what? This is my favorite company because when I was a kid growing up, I always wanted to buy some Nikes. Nike or Nikes, however you want to pronounce it. But this is one of my favorite stocks. I love this company. I wear their apparel. So they produce and design apparel and market it to athletic wear athletes. You can see them in the NBA, NFL, Major League Baseball. They have people in golf. They cater to every sport. They also will be big in the metaverse. So this is a metaverse company. They're building that now. Their stock yield is 1.06. Okay, they have a juggernaut on the athletic gear. It's not a company above Nike. Okay. Next stock, PG. Stock symbol PG. Wait a minute, I made a mistake here. Let me just fix this. PG. What is PG? PG is Procter and Gamble. And the reason I like this stock is because they make consumer goods that everybody uses. Everybody uses this company. I don't care who you are. You use one of their products because their products range from beauty, grooming, healthcare, fabric, home care, baby, feminine, and family care. Okay, so they make everything. Their dividend yield is 2.62%. Okay, here's their news right here. A very, very solid company. Very good company. Next symbol. J&J. What is J&J? Johnson and Johnson. Okay, this is another company that makes a lot of products. Their main focus, let's see. Okay, their main focus is research and development, manufacture and sale of products in the healthcare field. Okay, so they also make medical devices, pharmaceutical devices. They cater to the consumer healthcare, beauty, over-the-counter pharmaceutical, and women's health. It's a very good company. Again, their dividend is 2.59%. You can check out their news if you roll over here to Google Finance. Next stock and the last one. This is the last one. COKE. Coke. This is a good stock. It's a little bit pricey. Okay. They pay a very generous dividend compared to what their prices are. Their dividend is 0.19%. Very multifaceted company. They sell Coca-Cola, one of the #1 soft drinks in the world. They have bottled water, Gatorade, and other sports drinks. It's a very good company. I love it. So these were my 10 favorite dividend stocks. Okay. I hope you like this video. If you have any comments, please leave them below. And here's a special word I want to tell you about. It's this company called Robinhood. Just hold on. Hey, real quick, guys, I want to tell you about Robinhood. Robinhood is a mobile and online brokerage account company. Okay, you can buy stocks as little as for $1. You can buy crypto, including Bitcoin and Shiba Inu. You get a Robinhood cash card where you can take your money out at an ATM. Okay, so real quick, what I want you to do is click the link below. It's going to be a link somewhere around this video. And when you click that link, you're going to wind up on this page. You're going to get one free stock when you join Robinhood using my particular link. So just when you click the link, you'll get your free stock. You sign up. They also have other reward items. So click the link around this video or below. And thanks for watching.